Okay.
Second run of the day at Norquay. Top of the Cascade chair. Say hi to the camera, Seth.
Hi.
Come on, Jane. Okay, Seth, you lead the way. Finn, you follow and keep in control. Remember, Finn, we go side to side, Finn. Bend your leg, bend your bum more. There you go. Good job. Good job, Finn. Good job. Yeah. Hey, Finn, keep in control. All right. You guys go, okay? Hey, Seth, lean forward more, hands in front. Like you're driving a car. Okay, Finn, bend your knees more. Bend your body over. There you go. That's right. Crash! No crash for Seth.
Dad, you look at my style?
Yeah, your style's awesome, Seth. Okay, Finn, get your feet down below you. Hey, nice job, Finn. Awesome, Finn. Okay, Finn, you're driving a car. Bend over. Yeah, there you go.